We are starting with the next subtopic of the third chapter, that is family and kinship. We are done with caste system and tribal societies. So family is a social institution. Like there are religious institutions, political institutions, educational institutions. We also have social institutions. Okay, so one of it is family. Family can be studied as a social institution and also in relation to other institutions. Okay, so family itself is a social institution and it can be studied in relation to other institutions. A family may be nuclear or extended. So nuclear means where only the mother, father and their unmarried children live. Or extended family. Extended family is a kind of joint family. It is an undivided family where various generations live together, like the grandfather, the grandparents, the parents, the children, their aunt, uncle, relatives, they live together. It is an extended family. Family can be headed by a male or a female. So in a family there may be a male member playing the role of the head of the household or the female. Okay, so basically in the northeastern tribes, there are families or societies where families are headed by female. The line of descent may be patrilineal or matrilineal. So a person's and individual's descendants, their ancestors or the descendants from where they come, okay, can be traced either to the mother side or the father side, either through the patrilineal side, the father side, or matrilineal, that is the female side. Line of descent, it is the line of descent through which the kinship relation between an individual and the individual's progenitors are traced. So line of descent, it is the line through which a person's ancestry is traced. Okay, so the structure of family is related to other structures of the society. So the institution of family is related to other institutions of the society, like political, educational, religious, cultural, etc. For example, the migration of men from their villages in search of jobs may result in many women-headed families. So when people when people leave their villages to move to other places in search of employment, such families, the women tend to lead the families, tend to play the role of the head of the family, because the male member has migrated in search of employment. The families of working parents may result in grandparents playing the role of caregivers to the children. So in a family where both the mother and the father, they are employed, they work, they have to go to their job, in such families the grandparents may play the role of caregivers to the children. They may take care of the children in the absence of the children's parents. So the structure of family keeps changing, okay, and can be understood in relation to the economic, cultural, educational spheres. So the structure of the family, it does not remain the same all the time. It keeps changing depending upon the situation, and the changes are brought in relation to the economic, cultural, educational spheres. Okay, and lastly, the cultural ideas, norms, values changes along with the structure of the family. So the norms, the rules, the values, all the cultural ideas of family or of the society, it changes along with the structure of family. So the norms may be, or the norms or some values or rules may be different in a nuclear family, different in a extended family. Okay, so all of these, it keeps changing on the basis of the structure of the family.